problem is I use some of these Techron Marine treatment, and I make sure I mix the right amount. It's 1 ounce treats 10 gallons, but I put half an ounce between my 5 gallons I have, and it's falling up my spark plugs, and just causing all the misfire. And I took a look in there. I have a scope and I look inside and it's full of gunk. All this like sticky, oily residue inside. You see it's running like crap right now. So gotta let it run for a couple minutes so that fuel burns up. It is shaking. It's like running on 1 cylinder. This is not the first time I used this product, but the first time I was running the engine pretty hard, you know. Normally you're going full throttle up and down the river, and I did notice like at 3,000 RPM it was shaking a little bit, like not a misfire, but I noticed something weird. But I thought, hey, maybe I put too much of it. So I was like, let me give it a second chance. And I made sure I put the right amount in there. It says 1 ounce treats 10 gallons, so put half an ounce in 5 gallons. But I think what made it worse, it was just, I was just doing idle speed, trolling most of the time. So that stuff didn't get enough heat to burn all that lubricant. So once the clean fuel get to it, it's not shaking anymore. Still bugging a little bit, but it's gonna burn up all that gunk in there. To get this crap out of the system. Never ever using it again. Finally running smooth. All clean fuel, clean spark plugs. Give it a good wash too. Back to normal. I think this little motor, man, with the lean burn and all that, it doesn't do pretty good with stabilizers and stuff. So from now on, I'm just getting fresh fuel, not storing any fuel for longer than 5 days or so.